Okay, welcome back to what I believe is day 7 of our trip to China. Last night, as you probably saw, it was pretty interesting with all the delays and being late. I mean, 20 flights into Shanghai were cancelled, mainly due to weather over central China, which meant our flight was 4 hours delayed, and yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. But because of that, we stayed in Shanghai for the night, and this morning we're taking the bus over to Suzhou. So yeah, it's been pretty chill morning. We got to leave at about 10 o'clock, so soon. Chongqing.
Very good. Chongqing. 33 million people. Su. Zhou. Remember, lazy Susan. Su.
Okay, welcome to Suzhou. We're exploring the Lingering Garden, which is pretty impressive, and it's all enclosed with walls, and there's like ponds and everything. It's actually insane. Yeah, I'll show you around here, just because it's absolutely incredible. Have a look.
放弃不放弃，做面条不做面条。你患得患失，太在意从前，又太担心将来。有句话说得好，昨天是段历史，明天是个谜团，而今天是天赐的礼物，向这个礼物下这个。
Okay, so we had the canal tour, so we're in near the Grand Canal of Suzhou, and now we're just walking around the canals, well, the streets near the canals, having some food, trying some stuff, looking for souvenirs, and yeah, it's pretty epic. It's like what you'd expect China to be, like it's kind of old with the lanterns and like stone streets, and it's yeah, pretty epic, as I said before. Like, have a look over here.
OK， 哦，那不用接 ，OK， 他打的 ，OK， 几张？一张？One。
Yeah, that's all good. So it's all good.
就一张是吧？啊。OK 吗？
Time to end another night in China. We're coming towards the end of our trip. I think we've got roughly 3 days left till we fly out. Tomorrow, I believe we've got a tea plantation that we're going to and some sort of lake, and then we head to Shanghai, which is kind of our final stop of the trip, other than obviously Sydney on the way home. So yeah, today was pretty epic. Well, it was just a very chill day, quite wet unfortunately, so we did get a bit soaked at times. But yeah, we had a great dinner. I'll insert a picture, I don't know, up here, just so you can see what we had, and also I'll insert a picture in the same spot just about now, about kind of the what's in the supermarket. There was live fish and live crabs and stuff, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, tomorrow Shanghai, after a 3-hour drive from, what is it, Hangzhou, like in the afternoon, and then we get into Shanghai. Zane's going on a river cruise, whereas I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not going on that optional extra.
Sitting in the bus.
It's probably sitting in the bus. No, hopefully I'm allowed to go out and walk. Hopefully it's at the Bund, which is kind of like London's Thames foreshore. and hopefully it's all lit up and I'm allowed to walk for a bit, because I think they're away for about an hour and a half. But yeah, another day finished in China, and I guess another day going to start very soon in China as well. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later.